this video, we will learn to create presentations in MS PowerPoint. We are using MS PowerPoint, which is included in MS Office 2021. To create a new presentation, go to the File tab and click on New option. We can also use the shortcut Ctrl+N to open a new presentation. Now, we can choose a blank presentation or use any of the themes. Themes are predefined style of the presentation. They make the presentation beautiful without much effort. Starting fresh without any preset themes or formats allows us to build a personalized presentation from scratch, making a blank presentation ideal. We can add a theme to a blank presentation by clicking on Design and picking one that we like. Alternatively, we can start with a predefined theme. We can use the arrow keys to navigate through the themes or look for them online. We are going to make a presentation on space exploration, Chandrayaan. So, let us look for a space theme. For this, click on Suggested Searches theme. As you can see, many themes have been displayed. Let us select this one. Before we proceed, let us first save the presentation. For this, click on the File tab and select Save option and give presentation a name and choose where to save it on the computer. Alternatively, we can select Save option from the Quick Access toolbar. We can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S to save our presentation quickly. Now, let us add content to the slide. We will write the content in the placeholders. The placeholders are there to hold the content of the slides. Here, the big placeholder is for the title and the smaller one for the subtitle. We can just click inside them and type the title and subtitle. We have chosen the title as Chandrayaan Odyssey and the subtitle as Indian Space Exploration. To add more slides, we can click on the New Slide option from the Home tab or use the shortcut Ctrl+M. We can choose a layout for our new slide. As we can see, some slides are for text, some are for pictures, and so on. We want to add a slide for introduction of Chandrayaan projects. So let us choose this slide, Content with Caption. We will now add text in the various placeholders. As we can see, our template already has a slide for a timeline. Let us customize the slide for the timeline of Chandrayaan projects. For this, we will add text in the various placeholders. Now, let us save the presentation again by using the shortcut Ctrl+S. To close the presentation, go to the File tab and click on Close, or we can use the shortcut Ctrl+F4. As we can see, The files that have been recently worked on will appear under Recent option. To open this PowerPoint presentation again, we can click on Open option and select the file created before. The shortcut for opening a file is Ctrl+O. If we had made a slide we don't need, we can delete it. Just right-click on the slide to be deleted and choose Delete Slide or use the shortcut Ctrl+D. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.